So what are the four aspects of kernel? Kernel, one is device management, and one is memory management, and then process management, and also package management. Here package management is nothing but it will handle the software installation and updates in your Linux server. So for Ubuntu it has an apt and yum are the package managers. This is the so this is the so this is the command for if you want to install any packages or any packages for the command. Sudo is nothing but it is a super user super user. So summary of this video is, so Linux is a open source and free to use, free to use, and we can do modification by anyone. Modification, and we discussed about why we use Linux and also key components of Linux. Uh, Discussed about kernel. So what is in kernel is nothing but it will help the application to talk with an hardware and software. And yeah, I forgot about the shell. Shell is nothing but it gives a commands to the system to the in the further Linux operating system, such as ls, cd, or pwd. For example, in the terminal video, if you're typing ls in the terminal, it will show you the list of your files. So what is the backend it is happening? The shell takes this command and send it to the kernel, and when they access the file the system, it will access the file system. And also we discussed about the file system. The file system is nothing but the Linux organizes the files in a hierarchical system starting from the root directory. Root directory is nothing but imagine your files are so root directory file system is nothing but imagine your files are organized in a tree structure with the root slash or the top of all the personal files like in slash home slash user. All the details documents are located inside its home directory. So we discussed about the package management finally, right? So we discussed about what is the Linux package management is nothing but installing the softwares and updates. So for instance, if you want to install a, for example, if you want to install a Firefox on your on the terminal, the package managers like apt and yum. Um, so sudo apt package name, install package name. And we gonna let's go back to the terminal, so we can discuss about few commands of so I'm gonna break these commands into 5 parts. So in a today's we gonna discuss about the file systems commands like ls and cd and mkdir rm and cp and move. So I'm gonna discuss about these 6 commands. So the further I'm gonna discuss about this remaining commands as well. Right now I'm in the terminal called Cloud Shell. So where I can explain. So go to googlecloudshell.com, click on launch Cloud Shell. See, I am already activated this console. If you are new to this, here it will show the activate console. Click on that, it will redirect to this terminal. So it is a process for this. It will take 5 minutes to get this. So I'm not going to explain it as of now. You can get it on any kind of videos. You can follow those steps to get the terminal. So we're going to discuss Linux commands as we before. First command was ls is nothing but it will show the list of files in the terminal. See here you can see the is aws and easy to instance and few other files. And another one ls hyphen capital A, it will show the hidden files of your in the terminal, hidden files. See in the first ls you're not able to see this, the few of them here it is will be showing like dot terraform d or .npm, this .config, .code as .docker. These files are not able to see in .vs code in the first one. ls hyphen a, it will show all the hidden files over here. And another one was ls hyphen lrt. See, once hyphen lrt, it will give all the information about that particular file. Let us enter. See here you can see it is a directory. D is nothing but a directory. If we place in the place of D it has a L, it is a linked directory. Here R is a read and write, W is a write and X is executive. So this part is a different concept and is a permission concept for particular file. We're going to discuss about later. So what is hyphen LRT? It will give entire details when it was created, what size it is, and who is the user of particular details, and it will show everything. And ls hyphen and the next command was cd. Cd is nothing but a change directory. In windows, if you are going in particular one folder, you want to come back, if you want to go enter into the you want to go to that folder by just clicking, placing your cursor on the particular folder, just double clicking. If you want to come back after that particular folder in windows, you just going back to the left side of the, just clicking on that back command. But it is in the ls it is different. If you want to go particular directory, let us assume ls, if I want to go back into home command, see I was in the home folder now. Let's say ls, what is it, what, let's see what there is any files in the home directory. So there is a backup file in the home directory. So now I have to come back after this folder. I have to go to the another directory. So cd dot dot is the command for getting back to the home. So now I would like to check shell scripts. Is there any shell scripts? One of the great advantage of Linux is if it doesn't know the for, let's say ls. See there is a few, so many of type. The shell scripting concept is different. I'm going to explain in the further classes. So this is a cd. And one more command is move. Move command. Move command is nothing but cut in windows. If you want to move the folder from one place to another place, the move command will be used. CP also uses. CP is nothing but copy. If let's say I would create a file, sample file, txt. I gonna enter. So if you want, touch is the command to create a text files. After text files, you want to enter anything. VA is the command. You're going to explain in the few further classes. So after entering VA into particular force, it has insert mode. You need to convert into the insert mode. Then only it will work. See. So if you want to see, cat is the command. See, this is, you can show it will show you. See, this is Vinay Kumar. Welcome to Linux class. So let us assume I'll coming back this one ls. It will thus that particular file 3.txt stored in shell script folder, right? Now I would like to bring this down to files.txt files. Okay, sure, how to do it. Give the file name what you want to move to folder, then give the destination path. Destination path is nothing but where you have to get to the files folder, right? Click enter. See, it will show. Now we go back to here. You can see there is no here you can see there is no file 3.txt in the folder. Let's check. uh, cd files ls. See, we get over here. So we copied file 3.txt from shell scripting folder to files folder. So this is the command move. Copy is nothing but it will copy a file from shell script, and it will paste it in the files, but the parent folder the file will be there and the child table. So same like copy and cut in the Windows. Here it is cp is the command for copy, and mv is nothing but move in the Linux terminology. And one more command is mkdir. If you want to make a directories folders like this shell scripts, these files, so I want to make a directory. Mkdir is the command to create a directory. See, I was mentioned Vinay Kumar ls. If it ls, it is shown here. M Vinay Kumar is a directory. In this directory you can create any number of files, text files or .sh, anything. So that's the mkdir is nothing but a to create a directories. And one more thing you have and one more thing we have one command in this class. One is remove. Remove is nothing but rm. You can use in rm linux. Be careful though while using this command. So in rm is used nothing but it will to remove any particular folder. Let's say here you can see file1.txt. I want to delete this one. See rm-f file.txt ls. So here you can see file1.txt is eliminated. Let us assume if we have software